Continuous line drawing from a complex photo. You will be creating a continuous line drawing like this one from a complex photograph. It might not be obvious at first, but even a photo like this one can be translated into line. A continuous line drawing is one in which a single unbroken line is used to develop the image. This forces you to closely observe the perceived lines of the subject. Depending how detailed you'd like your drawing to be, you can use a continuous line to draw your subject's outline as well as texture, pattern, form and shadow lines. The size you will be working is 15 by 11 centimeters. The photos in the Word document have been made this size already, so print out the photo that you would like to work from if you're able to, draw a box around this, or if you're not able to do this, then just work off the screen and, like I'm doing here, use a ruler to measure out a box which is 11 by 15 centimeters. Once you place your pen on the surface, do not remove it until the drawing is complete. Your goal is to describe the subject with a single line. It can become thicker in areas, but it should never break. You may end up accidentally thickening up a line just because you have to go back along the same one. Or you might want to purposely darken a line to translate a darker area of your image. You may end up putting in extra loopy lines that help you to travel to the next area. This can also end up looking great. Aside from the fact that a continuous line drawing can be a work of art in its own right, it is also a worthy drawing exercise for developing hand-eye coordination and observation skills. Creating a good continuous line drawing is a little trickier than it may look. The finished result is rather simple, but the simplicity actually makes it quite a challenge. The first thing you should recognise is that no drawing will be perfect. With continuous line, the imperfections will be very clear. However, it is often these imperfections that make the drawing so visually interesting. You will be using black pen, so won't be able to erase anything. Embrace any imperfections and allow them to add a bit of character. I have sped up this video, but in reality I am going very slowly. Try to move your hand at a similar speed in which you observe the subject with your eyes. Slow and steady will really give you time to look at your image. This will help to create more accurate proportions and shape, but remember, perfection is not attainable.